Using laser levels to find the center of lights in residential work offers several advantages and also brings certain considerations. Firstly, accuracy is improved. Laser levels project precise horizontal and vertical lines, which makes it easy to establish the true center of the light. Secondly, convenience is gained. Laser levels provide a hands-free method to find the center, thus eliminating the need for traditional measurement tools like measuring tape or chalk lines. Thirdly, it saves time. The accuracy and convenience of laser levels can significantly reduce the time spent on finding the center and aligning the lights. Fourthly, visibility is enhanced. Laser lines can be clearly visible, even in well-lit areas, ensuring accuracy and ease of use. Fifthly, the risk of errors is reduced. Laser levels minimize the risk of measurement errors and misalignment, which leads to a better overall installation. However, there are considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, cost is a factor. Laser levels can be an additional expense, especially for smaller projects or those with limited budgets. Secondly, skill level is important. Using laser levels requires some basic setup and calibration skills. Individuals who are not familiar with laser level operation may need to practice or seek professional assistance. Thirdly, obstructions can pose a challenge. Obstacles such as walls, fixtures, or furniture can block the laser lines, which can make it challenging to find the center accurately. Fourthly, surface reflectivity affects performance. Reflective surfaces like glossy paint or mirrors can interfere with laser line visibility. Fifthly, lighting conditions can affect the laser. Bright sunlight or other strong light sources can affect the visibility of laser lines, which requires adjustments or alternative lighting solutions. To effectively use laser levels for light centering, several tips can be followed. Firstly, establish a level reference point. Use a bubble level or laser level to mark the ceiling height or a level line on the wall. Secondly, project horizontal and vertical lines. Set the laser level to project a horizontal and vertical line that intersects at the desired light location. Thirdly, adjust the laser level height. Adjust the laser level height so that the intersection of the lines falls at the ceiling height reference point. Finally, mark the center. Use a pencil or a small nail to mark the center of the light at the intersection of the lines. In summary, using laser levels to find the center of lights in residential work can greatly enhance accuracy, convenience, and time saving. However, it's important to consider the cost, skill level, and potential obstacles to ensure efficient and effective use.